got a bicycle, I got it for my birthday. It takes me everywhere I wanna go. It's shiny and silver with a white wicker basket. I can't wait to show it off to all my friends. When I get home from school, I get on my bicycle. I ride it in circles and never get tired. When I wake in the morning, it's the first thing I think of and the last thing I see when I turn out the light. 'Cause I feel happy when the wind's at my back and I'm going as fast as I can. I feel so alive. I can't feel sad when the wind's at my back and I'm going so fast that the only thing I can feel is the spin of my bicycle wheels. I ride my bicycle in all kinds of weather, no matter the day or what season I'm in. I don't mind the snow and I love it when the rain brings the promise of puddles and getting soaked to the skin. But the best times of all are the long summer evenings when the air smells like sugar, butter and grass. I race past the houses, the forests and the meadows, and I wish that this moment could last forever. 'Cause I feel happy when the wind's at my back and I'm going as fast as I can. I feel so alive. I can't feel sad when the wind's at my back and I'm going so fast that the only thing I can feel is the spin of my bicycle wheels. I was 16 years old when I outgrew my bicycle. The paint had worn off and the basket was frayed. It sold at a yard sale for less than $1. I had to turn from the window when they took it away. Now it's many years later and I'm driving down the highway when a flash of bright silver catches my eye. I see a girl on a bike with a white wicker basket. Feel that old thrill start to rise inside. 'Cause I feel happy when the wind's at my back and I'm going as fast as I can. I feel so alive. I can't feel sad when the wind's at my back and I'm going so fast that the only thing I can feel is the spin of my bicycle. I feel happy when the wind's at my back and I'm going so fast that the only thing I can feel is the spin of my bicycle wheels. Bicycle wheels, my bicycle wheels.
Bye-bye. No, you're right.